morning, phone service. And my name is Tyler Hearn, and happy Monday to you guys. We need a subscribers from you guys. And happy Monday, you guys. I feel happy. Today is Monday. I hope you guys enjoy doing this weekend on a beautiful day. Yes, for Tommy. And we need you guys to 25,000 a million subscribers from you guys. I can't believe today is Monday right now. And my name is Tyler Hearn. This is, I will copy the link down below on my phone service. And you guys will go to my website. My website is doing awesome as always. I will pronounce my client Brooke is doing an awesome job. And thank you so much, Brooke. This is your phone search. I will make your phone search be proud of you guys. This is my business. It's the phone search I'm doing. All you guys, happy Monday to you guys. I know. I can't believe it's today. I am blown away. There's a moment we have. Alright. My name is Tyler Hearn, and happy Monday. You know what this guy is, you guys, trust me. And we call this guy is on a microphone. My first is our business. You come down to my phone service. I hope you guys will have a respect my phone service. I hope you guys have a happy Monday to you guys. Alright, and my name is Tyler Hearn. This is the Good Morning Phone Search. And happy Phone Search Day, guys. Keep it going, you guys. We're doing an awesome job with my subscribers. And you guys will love, you guys will like. And we need from you guys 10,000 a million subscribers. I'm proud of it. I'm proud of you guys. Let's make my phone search be high on the roof. Let's make me proud. And you know this guy is, trust me. It will cost the phone search. The phone search is our business. Thank you.